got this bad boy right here. We get into this Elite Crown session. Guys, I got something in the mail. It's about that time to show you guys. So as you guys know, there was a tournament on a Facebook group called Brush Connections. And you know, we got the top hitters over there, top wavers. You guys really take waving serious over there. So they gathered up 16 of the best wavers to compete in this one tournament. And let's just say your boy came out with the W, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be showing you guys what I won. Big shout out to BC, Brush Connections on Facebook. Big shout out to Brett E. Thomas. We got this bad boy right here.
What? Let's go!
Super Brush, Certified Youth, live in the booth. You know what I'm saying? The only waiver on YouTube with a Certified Youth brush. Y'all see this? This ain't your average brush. Shout out to my boy Brett E. Thomas. Follow him on Instagram, Certified Youth. Big shout out to you, bro. This brush, fully functional. This was handmade. The winner of Waiver Thrones received this brush. As you see, super fire, bro. Quality, stupid fire. Bro, this is definitely one of my dopest collector's items. We're gonna definitely put this on the wall. But wait, we ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. So let's see what we got. Ready? You ready? Bro, Grand Champ 2020 Waiver Thrones. If you're a waiver and you on the pages, you know about this belt. You know the weight it carries, man. Let's go. Your boy finally broke one home. Bruh. Special shout out to BC. We got Certified Youth live in the booth. Make sure y'all give them a follow. Definitely fire. We got Brush Connections, man. Y'all make sure y'all go join that Facebook page. And we got for waivers only. Bam, bam, bam. Look how, man, come on, man. You can't tell me nothing now. Feel me? Hard work pays off, baby. Let's go. Let's go. So look, to start this video off, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I work my crown. The details in this video is very important.